In this video I am going to demystify the mystery of Pegasus spyware, which is unarguably the most advanced spyware on the planet Earth. Pegasus is in the news again because of expose of Project Pegasus. In this video I will give you the every detail of this spyware you need to know. Stay with me till the end of this video. Do you also believe that your smartphone is secured? You have passcode, pattern lock, or Face ID in your latest smartphone. And you also have latest security patch installed and a mobile antivirus too. Sadly, it doesn't make your smartphone secured from Pegasus. Pegasus can be installed in your phone from a web link you click, text message you read, or through a missed call. The viral payload can enter your smartphone from any of these ways and create a permanent backdoor. And it will do this without you ever knowing. Now the question arises, what harm it can make to you? Pegasus, once get installed, get access to your device completely. It can read your text messages, WhatsApp conversations, all voice and video calls. It gets access to your call logs and contacts. It doesn't stop here. It gets the access of all your hardware components. It can access your camera, microphone, storage, screen, and GPS. It can record video and audio in stealth mode even when the phone is idle. It can record your phone screen and take screenshots. It can track your location, recover the deleted files and folders, and transfer the files and each and every information to the hacker without you ever knowing. After doing the every harm to your privacy, it has the capacity of vanishing itself after the job is done. Pegasus can infect both iOS and Android while remaining virtually undetectable. The Pegasus exploits the zero-day vulnerability. These are the vulnerabilities which are not known to the phone manufacturers. In this video we learned what is Pegasus spyware and how does it works. In coming videos we will learn about the history of Pegasus spyware and try to understand whether we should be worried about it or not. And if the answer is yes, what are the methods to counter the most lethal enemy to our privacy? Stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.